Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 2332 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to go ahead and just search in Google for HP DeskJet 2332 printer support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP DeskJet 2332 all-in-one printer. Go ahead and open that up. And now they're on this page, you want to go and just scroll down underneath support categories and select software and drivers. And then going down again, you want to select the item in here that says installation software and driver. And then you can scroll down and select the software full/basic driver support and select the download button for that. It should be HP DeskJet 2300 all-in-one print and scan driver and accessories. And once it's downloaded to your computer, it's about 100 megabytes in size. You want to just go ahead and open that up. It might take a moment to download, so just please be patient here. And then once you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then you can close out of the web browser. And you want to just proceed with the on-screen instructions here of setting up your printer and accepting the license terms. And then once you've configured everything, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.